How to add header to first page only. Open the Word app. Go to Insert. Click on Header. Select any one from these three. Click on Different First Page. Write it. And you will see it is only written on first page. Click on Close Header and Footer. And it is only written on first page. See the final result. Header is only written on first page. That is how you can add header to first page only. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.